Do you ever click on the YouTube video, realize it's 2 hours long and think, there's no way I'm watching it? What if I told you that Google's AI Gemini can summarize any YouTube video in seconds, even long podcasts and lectures? Today, I'm going to show you how to do this step by step, and I promise you, you will never watch YouTube the same way again. And there will be bonus tips and tricks to get the most use of every single video you watch. Hey friends, welcome to AImiga, your guide to use AI to save time, simplify works and work even smarter. In this video, you will learn how to use Gemini to summarize videos, how to get the summary in your preferred style for your purpose of use, and prompt secrets for even better results. Stick around till then and I'll show you bonus trick almost nobody talks about. To start using Gemini, first go to gemini.google.com. You can log in with your Google account. Gemini is free for basic use. But if you're using Gemini for longer videos, you want to use the latest model to get the smartest answer, there's also Gemini Pro. Once you're in, there's a secret formula. Just simply type this, summarize this video and insert the link. Let's test this on the official video that introduces ChatGPT Atlas browser. Watch this. Gemini starts analyzing automatically in a few seconds. It gives you a full summary with main ideas and highlights. You can even ask, summarize this video in 5 bullet points. Give me the main quotes, or explain like I'm 10. Now we can get the main points of the video in the text format in the style we want. We can create blog posts, articles, or just get quotes from the video we want. I see here endless opportunities for students, researchers, marketers, or many other people. It will save lots of time, it will save lots of money, and it can help to explore more information in less time. But here is when it gets even cooler. You can change the style of the summary. Let's test it on the interview of Sam Altman about ChatGPT, AI agents and intelligence. This video lasts about 40 minutes, so it will take a lot of time for the human to watch this video, take notes, summarize and get quotes. Let's see what Gemini can do. Let's try to create a report for business decision. If you want a business report, just type summarize as bullet points for business decisions. If you want a quick blog draft, just type this summary into a 50 words article. You can even ask for timestamps or short thread version. By the way, if you find these hidden AI tips useful, please hit subscribe. My goal now is to hit first 1000 subscribers, so your support helps a lot. My goal is to create the system of videos when everybody will be able to learn AI from zero to becoming an expert. Whether you are a marketer, content creator, researcher, or just want to explore and decide later, please support me in this long journey. Every week I share practical ways to use AI tools. No technical degree needed, just real results. Video summaries look fantastic, but now let's try to dig deeper and understand how we can get better results. To get a brilliant output, you have to give Gemini a brilliant job. Instead of a simple request, you give Gemini a role. We are turning Gemini into expert analyst or strategic marketer or student. This is the core trick. First, let's try to give Gemini a role of expert analyst. Use this when you need a blueprint. Type prompt. Act as the world-class expert analyst. For this video, provide a core thesis in one sentence, a list of the 3 to 5 key pillars of arguments with timestamps and the most actionable takeaways for an entrepreneur. Look at this. We get a clear thesis, strong arguments and timestamps, so we can jump straight to the source in one single actionable step. This is definitely a game changer. Now let's try to extract data. I call it a data extracting prompt. This is the best for tutorials and product reviews. Your goal here to bypass fluff and get data from the video. Try this. Analyze this video, extract all key metrics and present the pros and cons in a markdown table. Also generate 5 questions a beginner would ask. And boom, a clear comparison-ready table is here. No more scribbling notes. So we have already nailed the role part. Now let's master what really changed the game, the output. The difference between a basic summary and that one that sounds like it came from the professional writer are in these 2 words. Output modifiers. First, output modifier is a tone. Try asking Gemini, summarize this video in the style of a technical reviewer. Or if you are studying something complicated, explain the concept like you are talking to a 5th grader. And instantly, the tone, the voice, and the word selection completely changes. It's like giving your AI a personal switch. The second one are length and format modifiers. If your video is 2 hours long, if you ask 5-sentence summary, it won't explain everything that were in the video. So be specific. For example, give me a detailed summary of at least 500 words. Or if this is a quick 10 minutes video, you can ask, turn this into short text with key points. Gemini instantly adapts. And the third modifier is the format. This one is my personal favorite. You can tell it exactly how you want the output to be structured. If you need a presentation, just tell summarize and give me as a 5-slide outline so I could copy them to PowerPoint. Gemini gets the structure. It's like you're training your own AI assistant to write in your workflow language. Now, here is a pro tip most people have no idea about. You can actually summarize multiple videos in one chat. Paste both links and ask. Analyze both of these videos and create the diagram comparing main arguments. It's genius for comparing 2 experts' opinions or just doing quick competitive analysis. Imagine, instead of watching 2 hours of content, you get the comparison analysis in just 30 seconds. That is how you going from being a content consumer to content strategy. Gemini summaries are great, but you can make them even better. Copy the output and insert it to ChatGPT. You can ask to create your blog post or, for example, a YouTube script for new video. You don't need a computer for this. You can use Gemini in your browser. Just open the app, insert the link from another app, and boom, here is the summary. It's perfect for times when you're waiting for coffee. You can get the summary in a few seconds and learn faster than others. And here is my favorite part, the AI chain trick. You can ask Gemini to summarize a YouTube video, then go to ChatGPT or Claude and ask it to write the blog post in your tone, because you can train ChatGPT or Claude to write the way you actually prefer to write blog posts. That is when you realize you don't watch YouTube anymore. You extract value from it. And that is it. Now you can summarize any YouTube video in seconds. If you found this video helpful, please leave a diamond in comments. I want to see how many people discover this little secret today. Remember, every day I share practical AI tips and tricks to help you save time and earn more by doing less. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm on my way to my first 1000 subscribers. I'll see you in the next video.